Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Blink Video Doorbell with Alexa, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your Blink Video Doorbell is fully charged. Unbox the doorbell and locate the included mounting kit. Find a suitable location for your doorbell, ideally at eye level. Use the provided template to mark the drill holes on your wall. Drill holes where you marked and insert the wall anchors. Attach the mounting bracket securely with screws. Next, download the Blink app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create a Blink account if you don't have one. Once logged in, tap on the Add a Blink device option. Select Video Doorbell from the list of devices. Follow the in-app instructions to put your doorbell in setup mode. Press the orange button on the back of the doorbell until you hear a chime. Connect your phone to the Blink Video Doorbell's Wi-Fi network as prompted. Return to the Blink app and select your home Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait for the app to confirm that your doorbell is connected. Customize your settings, including motion detection and notifications. To link your Blink Video Doorbell with Alexa, open the Alexa app. Tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Camera from the list of device types. Find and select Blink from the available options. Log in with your Blink account credentials if prompted. Follow the instructions to enable the Blink skill in Alexa. Once linked, test the connection by saying, "Alexa, show me the front door." Adjust your settings within the Alexa app as needed. Finally, check that your doorbell functions properly by now your Blink Video Doorbell is set up and ready to use with Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.